Hi, Sorors. How are you all doing? Hey, Sorors. Hey. It's that time again. Just got the September Delta box, and I know it's October, but I don't know what's going on with them. But anyway, if you want to hear my review of what we got for September, then stay tuned. And I'll see you in a minute, Sorors. Bye. Ooh. Hi, Sorors. Welcome back. I'm Joy, and I'm here to do the September Delta Box review. Let me start with my disclaimer, as always. I am not a Delta Box ambassador. I am a member of this illustrious sisterhood, Delta Sigma Theta Sorority Incorporated, and I am a consumer of the Delta box. Therefore, my reviews are going to be raw, real, uncut, and honest. Because they need to hear how the consumers really feel about the product that we pay money for in this subscription service every month. So, let's get into it. First, our theme for this month, run the yard, which we do. Everybody knows it. That's without a question. I don't care where you go, what region you go to, the Deltas run the yard. Forget what you thought or you heard. It's the fall, it's homecoming season. So what is in the box? This month we have a Delta Sigma Theta red and white varsity cardigan. Yes, finally something red and white. And a Delta Sigma Theta crimson and gold envelope card wallet. All right. So here's the little wallet. It's a cute little tiny thing. It'll go good for a day party or something like that. You know, it just has the symbols on the front. And when you open it up, there's a zipper here for your change. It has card holders. And yeah, that's about it. We put some change in there. Again, it's a cute little thing, little wallet. I was like, what am I gonna do with this? So some Soror said you could put it through a belt loop and wear it that way. Yeah, you could. Or you could put it on a purse or put it in your purse if you're gonna carry a purse. See, you don't even want to deal with me. But anyway, that's the little wallet. I think it's cute. It's okay. I think it would have been better as part of a previous box. Maybe the month when we got the passport cover and the lanyard. They should put the wallet with that and gave us something else like a bracelet or a necklace or some earrings like our Sister Greek got in their box, in the Ivy box. They got some earrings in their box. So yeah, I would have liked some jewelry or something like that to go with the sweater. And speaking of the sweater, let's get into it. So, Sorors, here is the sweater. It has the symbols in white on the left-hand side. The right-hand side has 13 on the sleeve, and that's it. We have these random stripes on the sweater. Now, I did notice in the letters are chenille letters, and it does have the trademark symbol on there. Now, I noticed in the Ivy box, on their sleeve where they got 08, they also had an ivy leaf on the sleeve. So, I was thinking, we could have got a fortitude right there. That would have been cute. But we didn't. But I'm not going to complain. I like the sweater because Well, here's a picture of me. There's my photo of me in the sweater. I look cute. I'm always cold at work. They keep it freezing cold. Uh, in my department, and so in my office, I keep my heater running year round because that's how cold it is. Um, but the temperature control, the thermostat for the AC is in my office. But because I keep my heater running, it thinks it's hot, so that's why it's freezing outside where all the cubicles are. But in my office, I'm warm and toasty. I can literally leave a bottle of water on my desk, and when I come into work in the morning, it's ice cold. Like I don't even need to put it in. I don't need to put any drinks in the refrigerator. I can literally leave it on my desk, and when I come in the morning, it's cold, like it's been in the refrigerator all night. That's how cold it is at my job. So, yeah, this cardigan is going to the job, and it will be uh sitting on my sitting on my um coat rack. But yeah, I like the sweater. It is cute. It is warm. Now I know a lot of the sorors that are in the South have already been complaining. They like it's still hot. We don't need another cardigan, jacket, sweater, nothing. And I feel your pain. But again, because it's still hot here in Texas, and I'm in West Texas, it's still hot. It's kind of cool in the morning, but by the time I get to work, it's already 90 degrees, and then by noon, it's touching 100 again. So, but again, like I said, I'm always cold. I'm anemic, and I'm always cold. So this sweater is doing lovely for me. I'm wearing a large. Um, I love it. I know y'all shocked that uh, I actually like something that came in the box. But yes, dear Delta box, y'all understood the assignment and gave us something that is red, Delta red and white. You got the memo. Kudos to the Delta box. Y'all did something right this time. Now, if we could just get the box in the month that we're supposed to get it in, that would be nice. I don't know what's going on with all my subscription services are like that. I get the Ipsy Glam bag and the Ipsy BoxyCharm box and the Icon box. And again, they late too. And then when I got my box, it was all beat up. Now, dear Delta, I know that ain't y'all's fault. I don't know what's going on at UPS. Maybe they got these seasonal people working now. But my Delta box was like beat up. It looked like somebody tried to open my joint. So much so that I went back and looked at my security camera stuff to make sure somebody didn't try to open my box. Cause my BoxyCharm box came the same day as my Delta box did, and it was all beat up and halfway open, and one of my products was missing out the box. So yeah, I don't know what's going on with these subscription services, y'all. Y'all need to talk to y'all shipping partners and see what's going on, cause um DHL raggedy. Pitney Bowes, raggedy. UPS, y'all getting raggedy. And the post office been raggedy. Boxes all beat up, halfway open. I know times is hard, but y'all need to start checking who y'all hiring in these warehouses and stuff, because they going through people's boxes and stealing stuff or trying to steal stuff. But anyway, Sorors, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to go on that rant. But I had to, I had to say something. But yeah, I like this month's well, the September box. I don't know what we're getting for October. Hadn't seen anything yet, so hadn't gotten any hints. So what y'all think we getting in October? Drop me a comment below and let me know what you think about the September box and what y'all think we getting for October. I'm hoping for a football jersey. It's football season, it's fall, it's the homecoming season. So I'm hoping for a Delta football jersey because they didn't complete the sports thing. We need a football jersey. So that's what I'm hoping for. But I got a feeling we're going to get another jacket next month or something like that, or a sweatshirt or something. But I really want a football jersey. So I'm hoping we get a football jersey. But anyway, Sorors, I hope you like my review for the September Delta box Run the Yard, which we do. And we're going to be doing it in style in these little sweaters. Now, y'all be careful when y'all going out here to these homecomings. I am praying for everybody in Baltimore and at Morgan State. I know the young man is still on the loose and they looking for him. So, y'all be safe out here at these homecomings. Y'all verify your Lyft and your Uber drivers. Just don't be jumping in some car without verifying that that is indeed your Uber driver, okay? And yeah, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so, Sorors. I'm trying to build up my audience. And again, my name is Joy. I'm coming up on my Deltaversary, y'all. Finna be 3. Hey! Virtually Destined 17. I love all my line sisters. Yeah, so we're getting ready to celebrate our Deltaversary on the 21st. And I'm just so excited. 3 years down and a lifetime to go. But yes, Sorors, I hope you enjoyed my video, and I'll see you all next month. Until then, take some time to explore my channel. I have a lot of content. Like I said, I do BoxyCharm reviews for the Glam Bag, the BoxyCharm box, and the Icon box. I'm excited about our Icon box for November because the curator is none other than Miss Pat McGrath. Yes, ma'am. So I am excited for that box. But yeah, if you're looking for some inspirational content, please check out my playlist called Joyful Jubilations. I am a licensed evangelist. I take my call into the ministry very seriously. I have an awesome testimony, and I just like to share a word with you to help encourage you in your walk with Christ. And then I also have some health related content as well that is coming. So again, I have a wide variety of things here on my channel. So please subscribe and visit me whenever you can. And yes, Sorors, I will see you all in the next video for the October Delta box, which we won't get till November. Do better, dear Delta. Dear Delta box, what is you doing? Let's get the deliveries together. Okay, that's all I got, Sorors. I love y'all. See y'all next month. Bye. Ooh.